Hi guys, hello everyone, thank you for clicking on this video and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So if this is your first time here, please hit the subscribe button, like this video and leave your girl a comment. I'll be in the comment section. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for every time that you've clicked on my video and supported this girl. I really appreciate you people. You are so amazing. May God bless you all for your support. Okay, so let's get started with this video. For those of you that don't know, I stated it before that I am in Ghana and I'll be releasing a lot of Ghana content, talking a lot about Ghana, my experience and moving around in Ghana. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you 7 beautiful and amazing reasons why you should come to Ghana. This is for people that haven't been to Ghana or people that have been planning to come to Ghana but never had the opportunity to come or never had a reason, or they have been searching for a reason to come to Ghana. In this video, I'll be giving you 7 beautiful and amazing reasons why you should come to Ghana. For those of you that don't know, Ghana is a West African country with a population of 30 million people and its capital city is Accra. That is why you have been hearing of the famous Accra, the popular Accra and the beautiful Accra. So let's get started with 7 reasons why you should visit Ghana this holiday season. Christmas is just like few weeks from now, so if you're going to start planning now. The number 1 reason why you should visit Ghana is because Ghana is budget friendly. And when I say budget friendly, you know, when you have plans to go to Maldives, Dubai, Paris, you are budgeting a lot of money for hotels, for moving around. But when it comes to Ghana, I'm not saying it's not expensive, but I'm just saying that it is budget friendly. You're moving around, the hotel bills and every other thing comes not like cheap, but then it comes affordable. You can plan with your family, your friends, and you'll still be able to have a nice time, go for some shopping, get some really nice things, get to see, like, experience Ghana and on a budget. You just have to do your planning and you will enjoy every bit of Ghana. So yes, Ghana is budget friendly. It is not as expensive as visiting other countries. So if you want to start planning now, start budgeting yourself, start talking to your friends, start planning, start doing all the budgets for you to come to Ghana, because you're going to enjoy Ghana. Ghana is one amazing country to visit when it comes to the tourism, when it comes to experiencing what African culture has to offer. Number 2 reason on my list is the African culture, which I just stated. Ghana showcases Africa in the whole, like, when it comes to the culture, when it comes to our traditions. Ghana, I think this is one thing that they have in common with Nigeria. When it comes to culture, Nigeria doesn't really play with that. Like, you see, during this holiday season especially, there are different dances coming up, different events coming up. When you go to the village, you just like seasons like this. That's why you see people from abroad going back home during seasons like this, because a lot of experiences, fun experiences, cultural dances, traditional ways just going on. Now don't get me wrong when I say that Ghana is a traditional country, like they love their culture. Ghana is a modern country, but then when you come to Ghana, you also get a taste of the culture. Like, they showcase it, they don't hide it. That is one thing I love about Ghana. Like, wherever you go, they show you that we are Ghana, this is who we are. You understand? They embrace the culture, they embrace the tradition. Now I was watching Jasmine video when she went for she went to a different place here in Ghana, and she was doing the dance called the dance of the priestess. For some religions such as Christians, they wouldn't want to partake on it because they see it as like going against your beliefs as a Christian. But for some people that don't really mind, it would be like a really nice experience. When I was watching Jasmine video, I saw that she was like enjoying the event. She was dancing, she was tying like a white wrapper with white shocks all over her body, so it seems like she was having a lot of fun. And I also watched in a video where a man was explaining that before you bury somebody, there's a dance you have to do. So they were doing the dance. There was a dance they had to do before they buried the person. They were doing this dance. So that's like an example of the Ghana culture, example of the Ghana tradition, the things that you have to follow, the things that you have to come and see and experience for yourself. So Ghana loves culture, Ghana loves tradition, they love to embrace it. They don't put it in back, they put it in front, because it represents who they are. So when you come here, regardless of your color, regardless of your tribe, regardless of where you're from, if you really would love to partake on all these things, then you would gladly, like, it will be like an amazing experience for you. They will gladly welcome you to join you. They do not discriminate when it comes to your color or whatever. So you should visit Ghana because of that reason. I mean, that's not something you experience somewhere else. So visit Ghana and enjoy the culture, enjoy the tradition. When you go back, you can tell your friends that this is what I enjoyed when I was in Ghana. You understand? So the number 3 reason on my list why you need to visit Ghana is because, like I just said, depending your color, your where you're from, it doesn't matter. Ghana is friendly. The 3 reason on my list is Ghana is friendly, they're welcoming. Okay, a lot of people have had their own experiences in Ghana, but then I believe that when it comes to people coming for tourism, I've never really heard negative reviews on it, and I myself had the opportunity to go to a different region to experience the culture and the people around there, to experience the attraction sites, historical site, tourist site. The people around there, they never really judged me or discriminated me, even though they knew that I was a Nigerian. They were very welcoming to me, they loved me. I made friends while I was there. So when you come to Ghana, be sure that you are making friends to live this place. Like, you will make new friends, bunch of new friends who will welcome you, who will treat you nice, and they're ready to tell you more about their culture, ready to tell you more about Ghana. They will take you around with a lot of love. So if you're worried or bothered about how you were treated when you come to Ghana, then that question has been answered. Ghana is friendly, Ghana is beautiful, Ghana has amazing people, they have friendly people, they have welcoming people. So when you come to Ghana, you'll be welcomed, you'll be loved, and so that is another reason why you should visit Ghana, because of the friendly environment, the welcoming people. You're going to love every bit of the experience. So the number 4 reason on my list why you should visit Ghana. Ghana is beautiful. Another reason why you should visit Ghana is because Ghana is beautiful. Aside from having welcoming people, budget friendly, experiencing the cultures and traditions of Africa and Ghana is beautiful. They have the modern city, where you could visit. They have the historical side, tourist attractions. If I'm not mistaken, Ghana has been made, if I'm not mistaken, Ghana is one of the most tourist attracted countries in Africa. A lot of people want to come to Ghana to come and experience a taste of the culture, a taste of the historical event that happened here like a long time ago. I think I was opportune to visit. I don't know why I'm talking so fast. I'm so sorry, guys. Let me bring it down a bit. I don't want this video to be long. Okay, so I was opportune to go to Cape Coast to experience the Cape Coast Castle, to experience what really happened to our forefathers, and it was an amazing experience. Like, the way they tell the stories there, I got into the castle, it was like everything was happening fresh. I could imagine how, you know, our forefathers were treated there, although it's in the past, but just being there, the whole thing was fresh. It's on my channel, so you can check out the video on my channel. So I could just imagine how the whole thing was fresh. Aside from the Cape Coast, I was also opportuned to visit other tourist attractions too. So it was really amazing. It was beautiful. The experiences was like, I never wanted to leave that place, but you know, it costs money to just stay around, but I loved every bit of the experience. So Ghana is beautiful. You should come and experience it for yourself. Like the site, the tourist attractions, the historical sites, like, you want to see it for yourself. It's when you come, you experience this peace, this happiness, just being able to go around, see things for yourself, have this experience. You'll be at peace with yourself, and it's one thing you won't regret. It will be like one thing you'll be proud of, that you came to Ghana, because at that moment it was peaceful for me. I loved every bit of it. I experienced Ghana in a different whole level. So if I am advising you to go there now, only because I want you to enjoy yourself. I'm advising you to come to Ghana now only because I want you to enjoy this holiday. I want you to have fun. I want you to forget about whatever problems, whatever stress you've been going through before. Come to Ghana and enjoy the beautiful Ghana. So yes, Ghana is beautiful. I'm not even going to lie, Ghana is beautiful. So number 5 reasons why you should visit Ghana is the nightlife in Ghana. Now I know that there are a lot of people out there that are like, okay, you've listed the culture of Ghana, like visiting Ghana because of the culture, because Ghana is beautiful, tourist attraction, it's budget friendly. But me, I like to have fun. Me, I like to go out. Don't worry, if you're that night time, that partying time, Ghana has got you covered. I have a video on my channel where I went out only at night, especially during December. It was during December I made that video. A lot of events were going on, so my channel, so you can check it out. So a lot of events were going on. There was the Afro Nation concert, a lot of events. It was just happening around. Like, I had fun during that period. And aside from holiday seasons too, Ghana nightlife reminds me a lot like Lagos. They party till like it's morning. You don't get tired of partying. Don't get me wrong, I'm not against club life. I don't go to clubs like once in a while. I go to club once in a while, so it's really an exhausting thing for me. But aside from clubs in Ghana, there are different things that you can do. Aside from Ghana, something else that you can do. There are restaurants here that open like 6 p.m. in the evening, and then they close like 12 midnight or 1 a.m. So you can imagine, there is bar, there is the restaurant, like a lot of things just happening there that you get to enjoy yourself. So the nightlife for people that loves to party, dance, have fun, Ghana is your place. So don't worry about it being boring and all that. You are going to have fun when you come to Ghana, and especially during the Ember months, like the holiday seasons. Events after events after events after events, they are just lined up for you. So you don't want to miss out during this holiday season. Come to Ghana, come and have fun, come and enjoy yourself. Charlie, come and live that life. You understand? Have fun, forget about your worries when you are coming to Ghana. So yes, another reason why you should visit Ghana is the nightlife. Ghana nightlife is bubbling, it's fun, it's like, you know, leaving your worries behind and just coming to party, come and have fun. You get? So another reason why you should visit Ghana, I've talked about nightlife, I've talked about the culture, I've talked about the tourist attraction, I've talked about budget friendly. What about transportation? See, most of you think that when you come to Africa, it gets like you can't move around, or it gets stuck, or you use your leg a lot. No, that's not how it works. Okay, when you come to Ghana, there are different means of moving around. There's a commercial transportation, commercial buses, commercial cars, and then there's a private cars that you can hire for yourself. If you want to go out and you don't want to use the commercial buses to move around, you can use a private car to move around. Like, you can hire a taxi guy who will move you around during your stay, throughout your stay in Ghana, and then you will, you enjoy it. They're going to be looking out for you too when you hire a private taxi, and when you are out and about, maybe by the time you finish, you call him, comes back to pick you. But then for the commercial means, it's more affordable and cheaper to move around with buses and cars. You get like commercial buses and cars, it's more affordable. And don't worry about your safety whatsoever. It is completely safe to move around in the commercial buses and commercial cars, and it is more budget friendly. They even have the taxi, the Uber here, the boats. There's a Yango here too that you can move around with. So if you have the application on your phone, easy does it, you could move around with that. So that is another reason why you should visit Ghana. Don't worry about transportation. Don't even think that when you come here it will be hard for you to move around. Whatever time you want to go to the club and you need to move around, you can order your Uber, you can order your Taxify or your Yango, or you can even come out and you see a car still moving around by that time. So don't worry about that part. Transportation is easy, moving around is easy here in Ghana. I even know that in Accra there's tricycle. I stay in Kaswa, so we don't have tricycle around here. But then in Accra there's tricycle. You can move around with the tricycle if you don't want to go far, and it's very very affordable. Like, it's one of the most affordable means of transportation in Nigeria. So I guess it's the same here in Accra. So yeah, transportation is affordable, it's easy to get your moving around. You want to go to somewhere like Cape Coast, you can hire your taxi guy to drive you from here to Cape Coast, and he's going to wait around for you to like move around. Or you are lodging in Cape Coast, he drops you there and he's back here. Or sometimes you can use your commercial bus to move to Cape Coast. By the time you drop at the last bus stop, you take your taxi and move around. So it's safer, it's safe, it's safe, it's easy to move around. So transportation here is Ghana, it's not a problem. I've never heard of it being a problem. So if you're visiting Ghana, don't worry about the transportation. It's easy and it's affordable. Another reason why you should visit Ghana, the last reason why you should visit Ghana, I made this the last reason because after listening all those things, your security matters a lot. The last reason why you should visit Ghana, which is the number 7 reasons why you should visit Ghana, is the security. In Ghana, there's a popular saying that in Ghana that there is law. there is law in Ghana. So you shouldn't be scared that when you come to Africa, when you come to Ghana, you're going to be having problems with moving around, or the local people here, they're going to be harassing you. That's not true. It can't even happen. Like, there are securities in every region that you go to. Wherever place you are going to, there are securities there. And I've noticed that there are places that when you even want to get harassed and the locals are there, they come to your rescue. So when something is happening, they come to your rescue. They like want to protect you, especially when they know that you are a visitor in their country. There are lots of other countries that when you go to and you find out that you're a visitor, they want to take advantage of it. Ghana is not like that. Ghana is peaceful. They want you to come and experience their culture. They want you to come back again. So there's your security, whether as an indigenous or a non-indigenous of Ghana, anyways, your security and your safety matters a lot to them. So if it comes to that, don't be worried, don't be scared about your safety. Ghana is safe. Nothing happens to anybody when you come to Ghana. Because I watch a lot of those videos of foreigners that, oh, they heard that in Ghana they fight a lot, or you'll be kidnapped when you come to Ghana. Please, that is not true. That is like the most lying and forceful thing I've ever heard about Ghana. They don't kidnap you here in Ghana. They don't harass you here in Ghana. In fact, your security and your safety is their #1 priority. So that is why you need to come to Ghana. Don't be scared that when you come, one thing or two things will happen to you. That's not true. When you come to Ghana, you are safe. You move around, you're safe. You're going in, you're safe. You're coming out, you're safe. And especially when you want to go to the club or whatever, don't be scared that one person is going to come and do something to you. No, it doesn't happen like that. When you go out, you have fun, you go back inside, it is safe, it is cool, nothing happens to you. So that is another reason why you should visit Ghana. It is safe and it is completely harmless when you come to Ghana. So that is all my reasons for visiting Ghana. If you have an opinion or you want to add something to this video, please leave a comment in the comment section below. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe it somewhere around. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching till the very end. You're amazing. See you. Bye bye.